Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's the topic of our discussion is how can you get the number of years, months and days, and if you have given the two dates like the first start date and the end date, and you want to know that how much difference of the years and how much difference of months as well as how much difference of days, or you can say that how much days have done or how much days or months have passed out or how much years have passed out. So how can you do this? You just need to put three formulas, and all three formulas are almost similar to each other. Only difference is y, m and days. So how can we get the number of years which has been passed? So you just need to put one formula. And what is the formula? So the basic formula is equals to dated if bracket open. Now you need three values. What three values are? First, you have to give the start date. So the start date is in the cell which is C4, so you just need to give the address of C4. Now you just need to put the comma, and second element is the end date. So you can see here the end date, so you have to click on this cell of end date. So our second element is also completed. Now for our third element, you have to just give the comma, and after the comma you have to put the inverted comma, and in that inverted comma what we want the number of years. So the year stand for y, so you just need to put here y and inverted comma close and close the bracket. I repeat it again, like for getting the number of years you just need to put the formula of dated if and then bracket open, and it wants three elements. So first element is our start date which is C4, and second element of our is end date, so the end date is D4, and the last one we want the years, so the year is here, and you just need to write here in inverted comma open and inverted comma close with number of years. For years you want y, so you just need to press your enter and you will get the number of years passed on. Like start is 12 May 2019 and end in 10 October 2020, so the total number of years has passed on is only 1. Now you just need to drag the same function, so it will automatically implemented the same formula to here, like 2018 up to 2020. So the difference is of 2 years because it completed in December and in February. So here you can see the completed years 2019 to 2020, which is February and again February, so the difference is 2 years. Now we want the difference of months, so you just need to write the same function of dated if, like you have to just write it equals to dated if bracket open. Again it wants the three elements. First element is our start date, so you just need to select the cell which is C4, now comma, and our second element is the end date, so you just need to put the end date, and our last function, in the last function we want the months, so and you just need to put here inverted comma, and month starts with M, so you just need to put here M and inverted comma close, and you just need to close the bracket and you press enter. You will get the number of years number of months completed, like May to October 2020, so the total number of months passed is 16 months. And you just need to again drag the same function, so you will get the total number of months has been passed on. Like you can see here 25 months because December 2018 till February 2021 it has 25 months. So now we proceed to our last, which is how much days have been passed out. So how you can get the value? You again use the same dated if function, like equals to and dated if bracket open. Now again it wants the three elements, so we all know that our first element is our start date which is C4, now comma, and our second element is our end date which is D4, comma, and we want the number of days completed, so the days start from D. So what we have to do, we have to just write it inverted comma and D and inverted comma close, and again last we want to close the bracket, and here you can see DATE-DIF bracket open. We want the first start cell comma, then end date cell which is D4, and in the last one we want days, so days in D. So you just see the total number of days. Now you just need to drag the same function, you will get the total number of days has been passed out. So in this way our years, months and days have been completed. Now I just write the formulas so that you will get the better understanding of it, and you can also see the differences and you can distinguish the difference from it. Like for the year you can see here, and for months you can see the months, and for the days you can see the days. So I just copy and paste the days, and I just write it bold and italic, so you will get the better understanding of it. So you can see here the DATE-DIF, the values elements, and only differences Y for years, M for months, and D for days. That is the basic difference, and with the help of these three formulas you will get the total number of years, months and days. This is all our example completed. If you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section, and kindly subscribe and share to support our channel. Thank you so much.